Okay, so let's get into this then. What would you say are the top 3 things that you've learned in this field that entrepreneurs should know?
Yeah, I think one of them is really trying to understand the fundraising terms, right? A lot of entrepreneurs, especially the ones that are doing a crowdfunding round, they put a lot of emphasis on the valuation of their company, which is definitely one of those important topics. But there are so many other terms that need to be really thought before putting the formal offer, right? Liquidation preference, conversion rights, voting rights. If you're going to be giving your investors a board seat, right? All those different elements, like as you start getting into the fundraising process, you really start understanding the impact that it could have on your company in the day-to-day operations, and also in your potential exit, right? After you have an exit, really affecting how much money you get at the end of the day. Another topic that I think it's relevant is that a lot of founders, they have a technical background and they are not interested or willing to really educate themselves in finance and accounting, which are very, very important elements for a CEO and the entire founding team, not only the CEO, right? Everyone wants to be Jeff Bezos. Well, I guarantee you, Jeff Bezos knows accounting, knows finance, because those numbers are going to be the ones deciding basically every single action, every single project you do in your company, right? And probably the last thing that I have learned is that going slower sometimes is better, right? Having these baby steps in terms of product development, launching your product, focusing exclusively on one revenue stream at the beginning. I see a lot of entrepreneurs that they have this huge idea, which is fantastic as the long-term vision of their company. And they really want to do it everything since the very beginning. And it's so hard because, as you can imagine, there is a lot of expenses involved in the product development phase and the improving of these products, and it's just so hard to do so. So another thing that I have seen is it's usually better just to focus on one element, the one that is going to be driving the growth of your company, and then start adding the other revenue streams, the other products that are going to be creating this ecosystem.